Hey guys, welcome to Logness. Today I'll be showing you how to sign into your American Express credit card account on your PC. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your American Express credit card account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar, click over there and type in the address American Express .com like this and enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of the American Express. And over here you can see this is the home page of the American Express, whereas on the top right corner of the screen you can see there is the login button available for us. Let's click on login, and over here this is the login page of the American Express over here. But before we proceed to our login of our user ID and password, you can see there is the cards and banking options selected currently. Click over there, and you can see you can go to the another account of the American Express. If you don't want to log into your credit card account from over here, you just want to log into your membership merchant or your American Express work account, you can do that from over here. Since we're logging into our American Express credit card account, we'll be staying on the cards and the banking option over here. And after you have chosen your type, enter your user ID and your password with which you have signed up for an account on your American Express, and let's go. But if you have forgotten your user ID or password, you can see there is the forgot your user ID or password button available over here. If you click on that, you'll be taken to a procedure where you can retrieve your user ID or your password depending upon which one you lost. You can also see, guys, you can create a new online account from over here. Also confirm your received card. If you have already received your American Express credit or the debit cards, you can confirm the card from over here. That being said, after you have entered your user ID and your password, simply click on login, and then you'll be signed into your American Express credit card account online from over here. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.